What's up guys, welcome back to Coderstash. Last video we create property file. This video we're going to create entity file. So let's start the video. As you can see, we don't have any database schema here. I'm using MySQL Workbench. Let's create schema. Copy your table name, schema name, right click on the menu and create new schema, then apply, again apply, finish. Now you can see the book detail schema. Now let's create a table. Go to your project, expand, main Java, create a new package called entity. Now create Java class. I create this as book. Add file to JIT, add. Then annotations as entity, import annotation table, table name, I'll name it as book. After that, create table column names. Private, integer, book ID. So book ID is the primary key. Annotation would be at ID and generate value as identity. String book name, string book author, string book publisher, string book description, private double, book price, now let's create getters and setters. You can use Lombok as you wish. I'm going to use getters and setters. If you use Lombok, you don't need to generate getters and setters. So we don't have any book tables on the database. So let's run the application. Right click on the book details application class. And run the file main method add function. Spring. You can see the logs. Started book application. After started, go to ID, MySQL Workbench, then refresh the book details schema. You can see the book table. Select all from book details book query. You can see the empty table generated by the Spring Boot. So that's all for this lesson. I'll push the code to the GitHub. So you can pull it from the book details properties branch. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.